What's up, guys? So today we're at Fat Ass's house. We're gonna be converting his stock DX brakes from his hatch to RL calipers. So these are our stock ones, right? Super small. They look like the real rear brakes. And we're gonna be doing this to it. So stay tuned, and we're gonna show you how to do it and go from there. All right, so first off, this is the R6 Type S rotors, and we got it drilled from 1320 wheels, and then we got the bracket from Fast Brakes. So you gotta get the RL caliper kit, and of course the RL bracket, calipers. And then we're also going to upgrade our master cylinder and our booster. So this came from a GSR, but from 98 and up they use all the same one. I already assumed that you guys already took off your calipers, your caliper bracket. They're all 17 mils. So there's two 17 mil, you just screw it off, it comes off. And I expect that you already took off your rotor with the 2 screws, which is super easy. So now all you have is just this naked spindle. So now we're gonna get this ring that Fast Brake provided. We're just gonna leave it to the central hub. Just leave it like that. So then we get our bracket, right? We're gonna have one tiny spacer and one little bigger spacer. And so you want these two to be more far out. So you don't want it like this, but this is more in. So you want it more out. Put it behind the knuckles, screw them in. So now we're just gonna torque them down. Lucky I'm at my boy's house, and he has a really nice impact wrench from his wife. Alright, so we're just gonna tighten them up. Dust them off. So then we gotta put our big ass rotors on there. I'm gonna show you a comparison. So this is the R6 Type S rotors, right? They're about 11.8 inches. So I think it's 280 mil. So compare this to this stock one. It's huge. Alright, so now just put it on like so. I'm just gonna put 2 low time to put the RL caliper on the knuckles. So we have 2 longer that Fast Brake provided. So you just put it behind the brakes like so. On this setup, we're not gonna be running a 5-minute spacer, which is not needed. So, which is a good thing. But I believe you will need a bigger, like a lower offset wheel to fit these. I think you need at least a 35, a plus 35 and lower to fit these calipers. So it's pretty much done. I will show you guys how I'm gonna install the brake lines. Alright, so now we're taking the hard line off from the stock calipers because you're not gonna use it. So this is a size 10 mil. So now we're gonna take out the stock calipers, the lines and everything. So right in here, we're gonna take out the clip. Well, first we're gonna loosen the bolt and then we will take out the clip, because if you take out the clip, it'll be harder to remove the bolt. So we're gonna take out the clip, put the new hard line, the new steel braided lines, and yes. Okay guys, so far the rotors are installed, the calipers installed, and the brake line it's installed. So it's gonna be the same thing for the other side, so I'm not even gonna show you how to do the other side, but I am going to show you on how to replace your brake booster, because when you do this, it's best when you replace this too. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Okay guys, so now it's time to remove the Mason cylinder and the brake booster. This is gonna be a pain in the ass because there's so much stuff right here, so just bear with me. First we're gonna take this off, and then we're gonna take out the 4 bolts that's holding the brake booster, and then I'll slowly start taking off the line because I don't want it to leak everywhere. So I'm gonna start taking this off, the 4 bolts, the 12 millimeters nuts inside, and then detach it from the pedals, and then I'll try to pull it out. But just looking right here, it looks like we barely have any space, so we'll go from there. Alright guys, this is the part I hate the most. Going under here and taking the 4 bolts. So the 4 bolts, there's 2 right here, and there's gonna be 2 on the other side, and then there's a pin holding through the pedal, so you'll just have to take that off. There's a cotter pin in there, so you remove the cotter pin, and then you remove the pin itself, and then once you take off that, remove the 4 12 millimeter nuts, and you should able to pull it right out. So I'm gonna put you guys down. It's kind of hard to record and videotape this at the same time. Okay, so I already took off the 4 bolts and the pin inside, so I'm gonna take off the vacuum hose with this clamp, and then I'm gonna start taking off this brake line and this brake line over here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put you guys down because I don't have a hand, so I'm gonna put you guys down and I'll bring you guys right back up when I'm done.
I don't think I put it down yet.
Okay guys, so I removed the bracket that's holding the clutch line because I need some space, right? So the lines are all right here. So I'm about to pull it out right now, but it's gonna leak everywhere. God damn it. Well, I'm just gonna let it leak, but it's gonna be a pain that I have to move out. Let me see. It's hard with 2. It's hard with 1 hand. But if I could do 1 hand, y'all better do 1 finger. I'm just kidding. I gotta put you guys down.
Oh, you showed me.
Alright guys, so here is the comparison. So this is a stock DX, and this is just our brake booster and Mason cylinder. The holes on the Mason cylinders are the same. Look at that, it's the same, right? But this is just a little bit bigger than this. But this is a 1 inch bigger than the stock one. And yeah, you just gotta put that in. I advise you that to remove this cylinder first before you put it in, and also make sure that your the pedal adjustment are the same. So make sure they're the same, and go ahead and throw it on and you should be good. Okay guys, so it's getting late. Everything's being installed right now, but it's pretty much the same thing. Like, let's say if you do this side, it's gonna be the same thing as on the other side. And then the way how I'll show you guys how to do the brake booster, it's pretty simple. Just remove the master cylinder first before you start anything, so it'll be easier to put in, because when the motor's in there, it's kind of pain in the ass to put it in. But I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna edit. It should be coming out soon. I can't give you the date. It's gonna come out soon. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos. Make sure you like and comment. If you guys have any comment, or if you guys have any questions, feel free to, I'll answer them. Don't hesitate. I'll answer them as I can. But have a good night and be safe.